Okay, standard review. Write an equation for the line with the slope of 4/5 and the point -15, 2. You got to fill this out. You got to find m and b. So the m, it's a slope. They tell us it's 4/5, so I put 4/5 for m. 4/5 times x. Now I got to find out what I'm going to plus. And I find that with y equals m times x plus b. Okay, and that's x and that's y. So the y is 2, the m is a 4/5, and my x is going to be the -15. Okay, 4/5 times -15 is going to be -12, and then plus the b. So it's -12, so we got a plus 12. So 14 equals b. Done. Next problem, doing the same thing but with different information. Now they just tell me two coordinates of the line. So left 6 up 3, there's going to be a point, and then left 4 up 14, there's a point. I need to find out what the slope is. Okay, so the formula for the m is, when I don't know it, is y minus y, x minus x. Okay, so we're going to take 3 minus 14, and then -6 and -4. But down here, since I'm subtracting a negative, it's plus plus. So it's -11, -2. Divide, you get 5.5. So put that up there. Your m is 5.5. Y equals m times x plus b. Okay, my m is 5.5. Pick one of the two. The y can be 14, and then the x is -4. Okay, that's going to give you -22 plus your b, and then you plus 22. 36 equals b, so you have 36. Okay. Y equals 5.5 times x plus 36. There's your equation. You don't need to worry about number 3. Just don't worry about it. Okay, number 4. A pool contains 50 gallons of water and is filling at a rate of 3 gallons per minute. How many minutes will it take the pool to fill to its capacity of 200 gallons? There's 2 important units underlined, so 2 units. So I need to know what those units are. It doesn't say dV, so we make a line with the 2 units, and then I will be writing an equation. So my units clearly are gallons and minutes. Minutes is x, gallons is y. So per. Gallons per minute. The gallons per minute is 3. That's the only one you have. So my m is 3. Now you don't need to use any formulas because before the 3 you see you had 50 gallons clearly. Okay? So just remember, you don't, those formulas like y minus y, x minus x, that's if you don't know that. Y equals m times x plus b is if I know something goes there but I don't know it, but I do know it. It's 50. So 50 plus 3x equals y, and then we have 200 gallons. Okay? So gallons is y, it goes in for the y. So I solve for the x. I subtract 50. 3 times x is 150, divide out the 3, and x is 50. 50 minutes. Easy enough. Number 5, a website charges $2 per song after an initial registration fee. After buying 8 songs, a user is paid $41, and this includes the registration. How much total money will a user paid who has bought 25 songs? There's 2 units underlined. Okay, so I'm going to need to identify the units. It doesn't say they're direct variation, so I'm going to need the line. And, of course, we'll need to write the equation. So I've got money and songs. I apply the x to songs, the y to the money. Dollars per song. You know the dollars per song. It's $2 every song. You don't need y minus y, x minus x. You know that. So 2. But I don't see a money amount that comes before $2, but I know there is one because it doesn't say DV, and also we know about this registration fee. So y equals m times x plus b. It didn't say DV. There's probably a reason for that. Something needs to be found there. Combo, 8 songs and $41. Get rid of these three things. You know your M's 2. Y is money, X is songs. So $41 and then times the 8 right there. Okay, so 2 times 8 is 16 plus B minus your 16 and 25 equals B. So you have $25 registration. So we had $25 paid once plus $2 every song, so 2x equals y. Okay, let's take your 25 songs. Is that going for X or Y? Y is dollars. It wouldn't go in for that. X is songs, so we put it in for X. So 25 plus 2 times 25. Okay, plug that into the calculator when you're solving for Y. 25 plus 2 times 25 is 75. So the dollars is 75. Number 6, a bank account's losing money at the same rate each month. After 4 months, that account contains $1,400. After 8 months, that same account is down to $800. How many total months will it take the account to have $0 from its beginning amount? So there are 2 units underlined, so we need this. We also need a line. And then we'll need to write an equation for the line. So I've got months and money. X is the months, Y is the money. Dollars per month. Now, I don't have a dollars per month, but I need it because I need an M there. So the formula when I don't know it and I know I need it is Y minus Y, X minus X. Okay? So the Y's, you're going to have 1,400 minus 800, and then in the X's you got 4 minus 8, so it's going to be 600 over negative 2, so negative 300. So negative $300 is the rate of change per month. Okay, your M is negative 300. Now when I don't know the beginning means B, you got to find Y equals M times X plus B, because obviously I don't know the beginning because I didn't even see $300 in the problem. So combo, I can go with 4 months and $1,400. Get rid of these things, okay? So I know my M's negative 300 and Y is going to be the 1,400. Because it's dollars and then times 4. So I got 1,400. Negative 300 times 4 is negative 1,200 plus B. Okay, I screwed this up. That needs to be negative 4. Actually, I'm going to change it. Just say that this is, can we say that this is like 6? Because then I'm right. It's 4 minus 6. I screwed it up. So it's got to be a 6 then. Okay, so it's negative 1,800, and then we plus it. So it's 3,200. That's on me, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I've got $3,200 plus negative 300 every month equals Y. Okay, so they leave me with $0. I got to put the $0 in for Y. Box him up, minus your 3,200, minus 3,200, negative 300 times X, and then equals negative 3,200. So I divide. So negative 3,200 divided by negative 300 means it's somewhere between 10 and 11. I'll accept either 10 or 11. Okay, that's next one, last one. Sorry for screwing that up. My brother and I are saving money to buy a gift for Mom. I make $10 per hour. My brother makes $15 per hour. We need to earn $700 together. If the brother works 30 hours, how many hours do I work? And I'm sorry I didn't put that. Hours I work. This has 3 units underlined. You got brother, I, and money. Okay? So, with that being said, with 3 units, we need the tic-tac-toe table. You go total, it's on the board. How many, and single. Now, your money is kind of the out. Brother and I would kind of be the 2 top ones. You can just kind of tell. Brother and I. Then dollars single and dollars total. So how much dollars for a single hour do I have for the brother? Says the brother makes $15. How about me? I make $10. How many hours does a brother work? By the way, these 2 are non-money amounts, okay? They're hours. Well, the brother worked 30, and I don't know how much I work. That's X. So that's $450, 30 times 15, and then 10X. And then we know our total money is $700. So I just write the simple equation, 450 plus 10 times X equals 700. And minus 450. Minus 450, so I got 10 times X equals 250. Now I divide by 10. That's 25. So 25 hours I work.